Hi, this is Pam from the Hooked on Sewing blog. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to change the presser foot in your Janome 8200 QCP Special Edition sewing machine. Changing the presser foot is super easy. All you do is push the button on the back of the foot holder and it releases the presser foot. Make sure you have your presser foot raised. And now I'm going to just switch out the presser foot. All you do is you line up the bar on the presser foot with the groove in the foot holder, and then you lower your presser foot and it just clicks into place. Again, you press the button on the back of the foot holder and that releases your presser foot. Now go ahead and grab your screwdriver and let's take a look at how to change the presser foot for your free motion quilting or your AcuFeed presser foot. So use your screwdriver to loosen that screw on the side of your foot holder and then just use your fingers to finish loosening that until that foot holder comes off. And then you will take, this is the VD foot. I use this presser foot a lot. The bar for the foot holder is just going to go right in that little groove, and you just line that up, loosen the screw if you need to, or remove it completely. That sometimes is easier. Make sure the little loop on the back that you push on that with your finger, and that's going to lock into place on your sewing machine. You'll actually feel it when you're holding on to it. Once you have that seated in there well, then just take and finger tighten the screw. Lower your presser foot all the way. Grab your screwdriver and tighten that screw. And there you go. It's easy to swap out the feet, whether you're going to replace the whole arm or not. You just need your screwdriver, or in the case of changing out your presser feet, you just need to press that button to release the presser foot for your standard feet. If you have any questions about this video, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog and subscribe to my newsletter where you'll be notified when there are new sewing tutorials, patterns, and ideas made available. Thank you.